Good morning, children. Hope you are fine. Then I want to note a thing that your FA1 test will be starting from the 16th of August. Your FA1 test starts from 16th. Okay? So, you have to learn for the test. 16th of August. Okay? August. So maths, English will be on 17th. Okay, Tuesday. FA1 test starts from 16th August. English we will have on 17th. So portions for this is, and write the portion for FA1. Right. So, from literature, that is from Gulmohar Unit 1 lesson, that the invention of shoes. Unit 1 and poem, the book. Unit 1, the invention of this one, and the book, this one also is there in that. Okay, what? Poem also I have given. You have to by the first two stanzas. First two stanzas. Then grammar. You have from revision I have given on the board also, children, opposites, everything. Apart from that, sentence. From textbook it is sentence. First lesson sentence, and opposites I have given. What I have given on the board during revision, everything. Revision means bridge course. Okay, opposites, genders, past tense, and this one, degree, other degrees, superlative and comparative and superlative degree. Okay, this one, this much also I have given. I have already given on the board. I asked you to copy in the homework or in the classwork. Okay, hope you have copied it. Homework or classwork, I have mentioned that one. I told you to copy it. Right? So you have copied it. You have to learn that one. Then first lesson, unit 1, that is the shoe inventor, the invention of shoes. That king wanted to wear it was very dirty, and he asked for some solution. No, what all the pants they have done. You know that story, that one. Later, poem. Poem is from the book. I have given in your class, I have written on the board, and I asked you to learn that. Okay? Once I have done that poem, the book and the meanings also I will be giving in the next class. Okay? So, grammar. Sentence from the textbook, it is sentence. Right? Next class, I will be giving you the revision set also. And you will be getting your worksheet. Right? So, all this you have to learn for the test. Copy down, children. What all I have done in the classwork, that much I have given you. Okay, in the class what all I have done. Article I have not given, but I have started, isn't it? From the last class I have started article. Okay, so we will see in the next test article and other things. Okay, copied. Shall I up, children? Now articles. Coming back to the chapter articles. In the next class, pattern and few will revise it in the next class. We'll complete this. This is also important for me. So page 13 in your grammar book. Third main. Fill in the blanks with a and an. So I have told you where a and an are called indefinite article. They are called a and an are called indefinite article. We use a before the beginning of consonant sounds. Consonant, bat, a rat, a spoon, okay, a van, V, consonant. Some words may begin with a common but have a vowel sound. Okay, our H is a consonant. We start with H. But we write an hour because we sound with the vowel. So it is an hour. We use and before the beginning of the vowel sound. Some words may begin with the vowel but have a consonant sound. Remember, it is the sound, not the speller, that is important when you decide on a article. How you sound it, that is important than writing on it. You may start with the H only. A house, okay, a tree. Then and our, why did we write this? It is consonant also, but spell is O, R. Our we will not say, an R. Or, okay, so an apple, an orange. So, like this we are spelling with an article. And a book. A book. A rat. A spoon. Get me a spoon. Like this we do it. Okay, a and an. See the oval here. Oval. It is consonants. Right? Did you get it, children? So now we will fill in the blanks with that. He buys all his clothes from an online. Right? First this one, an online. Online store. She is an experience. And do you have a computer? A computer? Yes, I have a computer. I have a computer and an iPad, an iPad. He drives at a speed of 120 kilometers an hour. I expressed there, R. Don't turn here. It is a one-way street. It is a one-way. See here, oval is there, O, one way. It is a street. Street, we'll say. One-way street, that full, this one phrase, we will have that phrase, then it is A. It is a one-way street. I have a problem. Can you help me? Yes. So, seventh one, yesterday was a beautiful day. Yesterday was a beautiful day. Jennifer is an American. Her husband is a German. Her husband is a German. We had an exciting holiday. And put the letters in an envelope. Yes. Next is fourth main. Next. What is it? The word the, where we have to use the, is called as definite article. It is used before the singular and plural noun when the noun is specific or particular thing. When we are saying a particular thing, we use the Ganga river. Okay, we use it in the where referring to the particular noun. We use it in the unique or only one of its kind when the noun refers to the whole class. Whole class. The fifth standard. The fifth is talkative, isn't it? The fifth is naughty. Or the fifth class is good. Before the nouns of the holy book you know, which are the holy books? Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, the Bhagavad Gita, the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Quran, like that. Then, before the names of communities, this is religion like, okay, the Muslim, the Christian, the Hindus, the Lingayats, the Sikh, like that. Before the names of newspaper, Deccan Herald, the Times of India, the Prajavani, like that, newspaper. Before the names of direction, it is towards the east. Okay, the sun sets in the east, west. The sun sets in the west. The sun rises in the east. Okay, the Ganga is in the north of India. In the north of India. Then Kaveri flows in the south of Karnataka or India. Okay, like that. Before designation, the doctor, designation is what work they do, the plumber, the electrician, the doctor, the engineer, the teacher, like designation. Before the names of some countries like UK and USA, not for all, only for few, the UK or USA. Before the names of rivers, seas, ocean, are a group of islands, the Lakshadweep Island, Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka is also an island. Mountain ranges, then famous buildings and monuments. The Taj Mahal. Okay, Taj Mahal. When we monuments means we will get Taj Mahal, Vidhan Sauda, the Vidhan Sauda, like that. Famous one. It is the famous. Okay, in that place or throughout the country or throughout the world, it is famous like that. Monuments means like Hampi, the monument, the inscriptions, everything. Before the superlative form of adjective of tallest, best, means superlative degree, already I had given you the tallest boy in the class. Okay, the talkative, the best girl in the class. Okay, before ordinal numbers, first ordinal means first, second, third, fourth, these are our ordinal numbers which you write in Roman numbers, like they are called ordinal numbers. Before that we use the. Before the time of the day, like the morning, evening, I come in the morning, I wake up early in the morning. Okay, I sleep late at night, like at night there it will come. Evening or afternoon. Before the names of some organization like the police department, the army, or the navy, etc. Some organizations. We use the. Now come, let's see some more examples of this. Fourth main. There is an. Fourth main, first one I am writing here. There is an owl on the roof. On the roof of the. See, 3 blanks are there in first one. On the house. The Pacific Ocean. See, the Pacific Ocean is the biggest. Here capital letter, you have to start the sentence with capital letter, no? So the T should be in capital letter. Next one is in small letter. The biggest ocean in the world. Third one, an architect. An architect is a person who designs building. Fourth one, our sports day is on the third. A woodcutter, singular. A woodcutter uses an axe. An axe. Sixth one. Janita plays the guitar. An apple a day keeps the doctor. Designation. This is only called designation. The doctor. A dog is an intelligent animal. Ninth one. Next page. Look, there is a stand. There is a man standing at the door. What's the time? What's the time? Please. Sorry, I don't have a watch. What's the time, please? Sorry, I don't have watch. Look, there is a dolphin in the sea. 12th one. She went on a holiday to the USA. Next, fifth main. Tick correct answers and wrong to the wrong sentences. Correct for correct sentence. My brother loves to play a cricket. It should come. It is the cricket. So it is wrong. First one. Or my brother loves to play cricket. We can write it. The India is a big country, biggest country. Or big. It is wrong. The sentence is wrong. I speak the English. Wrong. He has breakfast at 7 a.m. James goes to church on Sunday. Goes to church on Sunday. It is correct sentence. Have you seen a dolphin? Correct. It is correct sentence. My uncle is a manager of a company. It is wrong. He works in the army. Correct. My brother had accident last week. Had an accident. So it should come there. It is wrong. This is the last question in this exercise. This true. The sentence is correct. So I'll wind up this here. I'll continue in the next class, children. So I have given you the portions, what all you have to do, and you have to learn for the test and copy this and submit the grammar textbook as soon as possible. Okay, children? And have a nice day. Read well, children.